Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's session. We are going to discuss about Dataverse. Let's get started. What is Dataverse? We need to understand the big picture. The big picture is Microsoft Power Platform contains broadly four modules and three supporting modules. The four modules are Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, and support modules are Data Connectors, AI Builders, and Dataverse. Dataverse is the data storage or database data management layer for all these components. Let's understand Dataverse a little more. A Dataverse is a secure, scalable, means it will scale data platform that serves as the backbone for Power Apps, enabling the storage and management of data. Unified data source. Why Dataverse is called as a unified data source? Because it acts as a central data layer for three Power App data types: Canvas app, model driven app, and cards. You can refer one of my other videos what these are. But for the context of the Dataverse is a core component or central layer for these very important Power Platform components. Power Apps of and D365. Dataverse is the core data platform for not only Power Apps, for Dynamics 365 also, which is also called as D365. What is Dynamics 365? Dynamics 365 is a Microsoft business suite of applications such as ERP, CRM, and Business Central. Microsoft Dynamics 365 ERP is competitor to SAP. Dynamics 365 CRM is competitor for Salesforce. All these core and important business suites are using Dataverse as a data layer. That tells us that Dataverse is a very important component in the ecosystem of the Power Platform and also Dynamics 365. So let us understand what are the core features of Dataverse. Dataverse comes with standard tables and we can create our own custom tables also. The data in the Dataverse is secure and we can use the security controls to manage or configure or access the data in the Dataverse. There are rules that automate the tools to keep data accurate and we can import or export data into the Dataverse. Consistency helps keep data in the same reliable across all apps in Power Platform and Dynamics 365. The best way we can learn is let's go to the Dataverse itself and create a table so that we can understand. I bookmarked this. This takes us to make.powerapps.com. Here you can see this is the landscape of Power Apps. On the left hand side, you can see a tables menu item. When I clicked on this menu item on the right hand side, there we can see some tables. There are broadly three tabs: recommended, custom, and all. In the recommended section, I see some tables. These are the standard tables, like what we mentioned. This Dataverse comes with some standard tables and we can create custom tables. Let's go and see whether there are any custom tables. Looks like there are no custom tables. All includes standard tables and custom tables. Let's go ahead and create a custom table for our understanding purpose. On the menu item, new table, I am clicking on the new create new tables. It takes me to choose an option to create tables. There are four ways we can create in 2024 November a Dataverse table. One is using start with Copilot. We can create a Dataverse table using Microsoft AI chatbot called Copilot. We can create it using SharePoint list or Excel, or we can create it from the blank. For this session or demo purpose, let's create from a blank. Let's name this table as student. What table contains? A table contains rows and columns, right? First, let us add a couple of columns. I'm going to add a column name of data type text. So name is added. Let's add one more column. Let's add email. There is a data type called email. Let's pick that. That helps us to validate that email address. We added second column. Let's add third column called phone. And let's see whether there is a data type called phone so that we can validate the phone number. Yes. Okay, here you can see we added three columns and this is the table name. Let's save and exit. This is going to take few minutes. In between, we will, in this time, we are going to just understand and, rethink about what Dataverse is. Dataverse is basically a database that lives on the cloud. We can go there using make.powerapps.com, and this is a unified platform. Looks like our table is created. Let's go and check. What is our table name? Student. That is type of custom, right? Let's see whether, yeah, here we go. Our table is available. It's a student table, and those three columns also available. That's it. This is the way we create a Dataverse table. Thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe if you can. Looking forward to see you in my next video. Bye for now.